Let's go wash them right away. Everyone come with me now. We need the water fast.
Turn the water on, it flows.
But water's not enough alone. We need something else right now. Sink, 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 sink so high. Ha, 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 ha. Press the soap, it squirts out white fluffy bubbles in my hands. Perfect, now we're ready, go. Scrub, scrub between my fingers, rub my palms and thumbs and nails, washing all the germs away.
Way!
Rinse them clean under the water, look, they're sparkling now. All the germs are gone, yay! Puppy's here, so cute and fluffy, I can pet him now because my hands are nice and clean. Silly puppy, rolling, rolling, getting dirty in the grass. Now he's covered in the mud.
Oh no, dirty hands again!
From the puppy's muddy fur, gotta wash before I eat.
Back to wash again we go. All my friends are washing too. Scrubbing together makes it fun, yay!
Now we eat our lunch, so happy. Sandwich tastes amazing when your hands are super clean. After bathroom, always wash, that's what we always do. No matter what, we wash our hands.
Whoa!
We know when to wash them now before we eat. After we play, after bathroom every time. 6 easy steps to follow. Wet soap, scrub, rinse, dry, done. Simple steps to remember, friends.
Drawing helps us remember. Draw the steps with colors bright. Makes it fun to learn this way.
We learned something great today. Washing hands keeps us all